with a quick start guide, an additional screen protector, and a USB Type-C charging cable, highlighting its user-friendly design. These accessories significantly enhance the product's overall value. Weighing in at just 268 grams and measuring 12.8 millimeters in thickness, this rugged phone is meticulously crafted for outdoor use while being remarkably lightweight and affordable. This represents a notable achievement in modern smartphone design. Constructed with a durable plastic casing and reinforced with metal side frames, this design delivers robustness and protection. Such features effectively shield the device from damage during serious usage scenarios. The phone incorporates dual SIM and micro SD card trays, allowing for storage expansion of up to 1 terabyte. This impressive feature enhances the device's versatility, catering to diverse user needs. Featuring a 6.56-inch HD plus LCD display, the phone boasts a resolution of 780 by 1600, providing vibrant visuals ideal for an array of content, from gaming to streaming. The front camera's 60-megapixel sensor, along with a face unlock feature, specifically targets selfie enthusiasts and video callers. This ensures that users can capture stunning images and engage seamlessly. The smartphone is equipped with a camera system that includes a 48 MP main sensor and additional lenses, enhancing overall photo quality. This robust setup excels in capturing striking images across various lighting environments. Powered by the Unisoc T660 processor, the King Kong ES provides satisfactory performance for everyday tasks. Coupled with 6 gigabytes of RAM, it ensures smooth multitasking without lag. With 128 gigabytes